tumaas ng 10% ang retail sales sa bansa. Patunay lang na lumalakas ang industriya ng pagnenegosyo. Ngunit ano nga ba ang makukuha natin sa retailing business? Yan ang inalam ni Joe Tamesis.
Sa panahon ngayon, umuunlad na ang Pinoy pagdating sa pagnenegosyo. Marami na ang sumusubok sa retailing industry. Naglipanan na din ang iba't ibang franchise stores sa iba't ibang lugar at malls. Kabilang sa kanila ang tinatawag na outstanding Filipino retailers.
One of the things we learned is that franchising is one of the fastest growing sector in retailing. Franchising is really a cooperative of SMEs, very small business people who owns one unit in his neighborhood, but it is managed and marketed by a central office called the franchisor.
Kada taon, kinikilala ng Philippine Retailers Association ang piling magtitingi sa Outstanding Filipino Retailers and Shopping Centers of the Year. At ngayong 2013, anim.
Basically, the Philippine Retailers Association, every year, we recognize the best and brightest in the retail industry. So we have several categories. We have the small, medium, and large category. Then there's also the fashion category, the services category, the food category. We have many categories. So basically, we award who we think are the best performers or who have the best, biggest, largest contributions to the industry as a whole. Or awardees can also serve as role models for others to follow. There's a whole set of criteria for somebody to win. And it's like almost any other industry. You recognize the best in your industry based on their performance and market reception.
Every year we find the best retailer in food, in non-food, in services, so forth and so on, and we in effect give them honor. We give them the right motivations to become better. We also have a new category now. Since there are now several foreign retailers coming in, we have also we award all the foreign retailers here in this country.
At kung tatlong sunod-sunod na taon nang naparangalan ng isang retailer, isinasama na siya sa tinatawag nilang Hall of Fame.
Katulad ni Reyes Hair Cutter, nakumpisa sa 2-3 beauty salon, ngayon over 300, 400, nag-abroad na siya. Isa pang success story namin yung generic drugstore. Nakumpisa sa franchising, 3 lang. Now over 1,000 franchise in less than 5 years.
So when you move them to the Hall of Fame category, you basically exclude them from future contests to give chance to other retailers to be able to be competitive for the award. And then we also recognize the best shopping centers in the country. We also have, again, a small, medium, and large category.
Ang sistema ng awarding nila ay nahahati sa small, medium, at large categories. Naniniwala din si PRA President Go na patuloy ang pag-unlad ng retailing sa ating bansa. Kaya ikaw na may pusong umasenso, bakit hindi mo subukan ang patingi-tinging pagnenegosyo?
So no matter how small you are, join us in our conferences, in our seminars. Tuturuan ka namin kung paano maging one of the next successful franchise, the next billionaire.